Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your Rainbow Six Siege server connection is experiencing an error code 30x0001000b on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I recommend doing would be to open up the search menu, type in Firewall. Best match, come back with Windows Defender Firewall. Go ahead and open that up. On the left side where it says allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, go ahead and open that up. And now select where it says change settings. You want to locate the game on this list, and then you want to check mark where it says underneath private. You want to check mark the box, and then once you've made that selection, you would select OK. Again, assuming it was a standalone application, if you're using a third-party like Steam, you would make sure that was checkmarked. So if it was a Steam application here, make sure that's checkmarked for private connection. And then you would select OK. The change should take effect immediately, so you might have to close out of the game. I don't think you have to restart the computer necessarily. But if you are still having a problem, we can attempt to reset our network settings back to default as well. So in order to do that, you would open up the search menu, type in network reset, best match, go back with network reset. Go ahead and open that up. So if you're using a Wi-Fi connection, you're going to have to make sure you have your Wi-Fi credentials, such as your username and your password, before you proceed. Because once we initiate this process and restart our computer, you will need to enter those back in order to get back online. Anyway, you can see it says that this will remove, then reinstall all of your network adapters and set other networking components back to their original settings. You might need to reinstall other networking software afterwards, such as VPN client software or virtual switches. Your PC will be restarted. Select the Reset Now button, then select Yes. You will be automatically signed out within 5 minutes, so just go ahead and manually restart our computer at this time. And then once you connect back to your internet connection, if you're using a Wi-Fi based connection, Ethernet you shouldn't have to, it should just automatically connect. You should be good to go. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.